Commandant Chenab Brigade, Chairman APS Damana and staff of APS Damana extend a heartfelt welcome to our esteemed guests.
First and foremost, we are honored to have the distinguished presence of our chief guest, Major General Gaurav Gautam, GOC Tiger Division and patron APS Damana. We sincerely welcome you to this gathering.
Next in line is our guest of honor, Mrs. Pooja Gautam, Chairperson FWO Tiger Division, representing the grace and excellence that adorns this occasion. A warm welcome to you, ma'am.
We are equally delighted to welcome principals of various prestigious schools, dignitaries and our respected parents. Dear parents, your presence is a cherished part of this celebration and we extend a heartfelt gratitude for your continuous support. Together, as a community, we share in the joy of our students' accomplishment and the vibrant spirit of this occasion. Thank you for being an integral part of our school family.
Now we are delighted to unveil this year's annual day function theme, Crescendo, the cultural fiesta, in the spirit of artistic expression and harmonious celebration. Crescendo promises to be a spectacular journey through the diverse streams of culture.
Crescendo, a musical term, meaning a gradual increase in intensity, volume, reflects the crescendos of talents, cultures and creativity that all students embody. This cultural fiesta is a symphony of colors, rhythm and tradition, bringing together the rich tapestry of our school cultural diversity.
From the beats of traditional dances to the vibrant strokes of artistic expression, Crescendo is a celebration of the resonance of talents within our school community. This theme encapsulates the essence of unity in diversity, where every note and every step contributes to the grand melody of our cultural heritage.
So fasten your seatbelts and get ready to embark on a journey of cultural brilliance. Let the cultural fiesta begin.
आओ चलते हैं सब एक साथ कारवां बना करते हैं इस पावन अवसर की शुरुआत घी के दिए जलाकर.
Before we commence, let us symbolize the beginning of this event by lighting the lamp, representing knowledge and wisdom. And for this, I request our revered chief guest, Major General Gaurav Gautam, GOC Tiger Division and patron APS Damana. Guest of
आप आ गए सहज लुटाते प्यार साधन कम पर भावपूर्ण है स्वागत हो श्रीमान आशा है स्वीकार करेंगे भाव सुमन का हार.
Music is moral law. It gives soul to the universe, visions to the mind, light to the imagination, and gaiety to life. To begin this auspicious event, here comes the school chorus with a melodious welcome song.
a big round of applause for their wonderful performance.
Now to have our talented students from class 3 to 5 ready to present a beautiful Ganesh Vandana, a prayer dedicated to Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles. So please put your hands together to give them a big round of applause.
Now we are about to witness a delightful performance that will fulfill our hearts with joy and enthusiasm.
To begin this evening on a cheerful note, we have a charming welcome dance performance by our young budding artist of class 1.
Smile on your face with love.
it is now my distinct honor to invite our esteemed principal, Mrs. Pushpinder Kaur, to present the school's annual report for the academic session 2022-23. Her leadership and vision have been instrumental in shaping the journey of our school, and we eagerly anticipate her enlightening insights into the progress and achievement of this academic session.
Good afternoon, everyone. I, the principal of APS Damana, extend a cordial welcome to our esteemed chief guest of honor, and all other dignitaries who have embellished the arena of APS Damana in the annual day celebrations. This year's annual day has been christened as Crescendo, the cultural festa which resonates the essence of rise and growth. This academic year has been a kaleidoscope of pristine glory, brimming with stupendous achievements in academics, sports, and co-curricular activities. I feel privileged to present before you a brief report of the achievements of this school. APS Damana continues to be a harbinger in imparting quality education by showcasing a remarkable result of 100%, where API we have achieved is 461 and 372 for classes 12 and 10 the previous year in CBSE board results. School has also won a cash prize of ₹20,000 as Excellence Award from Western Command. It gives me exhilaration to share with you all the Hall of Fame, rewards and recognition, be it CBSE events, Sahodaya competitions, Olympiads, inter-APS or inter-school competitions. Our students have carved a niche for themselves. To name a few, Shimani Chaudhary of class 12 clinched 4th position in CBSE National Shooting Competition. Anirudh Sharma from class 11 garnered 2 medals, 1 gold and 1 silver in 12th J&K UT Shooting Championship 2023. He has recently participated in 66th National Shooting Championship held at New Delhi and is recipient of renowned shot certificate. Shivam Kumar from class 12 is a recipient of Best Skipper Award and has won cash prize of 11,000 rupees from Rope Skipping Association. Parikshit Arya class 9 secured 3rd position in J&K UT Weightlifting Championship. Our educator, Mr. Vishal Mehra, PRT PE, was selected for NRAI course held at New Delhi under the aegis of National Rifle Association of India. Yashasvi Kaul from class 5 bagged gold medal in National Participation Certificate in 30th National Child Science Congress organized by Gujarat Council of Science and Technology held at Ahmedabad. Mrs. Anurita Kaul, PRT, the escort teacher, has also got acknowledgement and gold medal from the same organization. The students of our school have shown unflinching self-belief and success in Sahodaya and inter-APS competitions also. Suneha Sharma from class 12 placed 1st position in Sahodaya bilingual turn coat competition. Best costume award adorned by Adish Manhas class 2 in fancy dress competition. In addition, the students have shown their exceptional brilliance as Nilakshi Sharma from class 8 secured 2nd position in inter-school bilingual turn coat competition held at Shemport Futuristic School. Manat Chaudhary, Simran Chaudhary and Vanshika from class 11 won 3rd prize in collage making competition held at Presentation Corner in Jammu. Nama Vivek Puri of class 11 secured bronze medal in inter-school swimming competition held at Shaurya International School. Ashwin Sharma from class 8 took consolation prize in inter-school poster making competition held at the Sri Ram Universal School. The school proved its potential by clinching runners-up trophy in AVA Ethics Bowl competition 2023 held at Tiger Auditorium. Gayatri Singh from class 10 and Purva Jasrotia from class 12, they have represented school as the part of hybrid team for Ethics Bowl competition which was held at APS Chandi Mandir at command level. The school is privileged to receive 660 certificates in Pariksha Pe Charcha signed by PM of India, besides garnering 88 certificates in Passport to Earning, a pilot project program of CBSE and UNICEF. Devansh Raina from class 10, Harsh Rachal class 9, Akshat Singh class 9 were adjudged as outstanding performers of mock pitch in residential boot camp held for 4 days at IIT Jammu. Pradeep Singh and Anand Sharma from class 12 from commerce stream of the school, they bagged first prize in Profit competition, a commerce fest held at GV Goenka School. Mrs. Ekta Gupta PGT English was conferred with the Best Teacher Academic Excellence Award organized by Varun University. Mrs. Manu Kumari PGT English, she has secured second position in Sahudya Hindi Kahani Kathan competition for teachers, and last year the same teacher secured first prize. The school takes pride in participating and achieving in plethora of events like prestigious Asian Parliamentary Debate, Transgress, which was recently held at KC Public School, Jammu. Our school orators, Nama Vivek Puri and Pragati from class 11, Devansh Raina from class 10 and Akshit Singh from class 9 grabbed the attention of the audience and won accolades from the jury members acclaiming first position. In inter-APS competitions, the school emerged as winner in Cluster 1 Hindi debate competition, runner-up at command level, and in English debate we were runner-ups. 2 innovative project teams out of 5 which were represented from this school, the 2 teams have been selected for UT level also. The 2 teams are comprised of Naman Vivek Puri and Vanshika Manhas from class 6, and the other team is Ridik Rajput and Ananya Bhatt, class 5. The competition is recently going to happen on 11th and 12th of December this year. Raghav Singh Manhas of batch 2021, Sushant Verma of batch 2020 brought laurels to the school by qualifying prestigious NDA exam and joining Indian Army as NDA cadets. Abhikesh Sharma of batch 2015 joined Indian Military Academy through SSB in the month of July 2023. Keeping the needs of students and parents as priority, the school has organized a session of smiling depression for the parents and students to understand the signs and symptoms of this hidden form of depression. In addition to this, Career Fest 2023, organized in the school, presented a platform to students and parents to meet the representatives from renowned institutions like IIT Jammu, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, National Institute of Fashion Designing, to name a few. The school has hosted a 2-day capacity building program for teachers in collaboration with CBSE focusing on school health and wellness. A total of 62 educators from 26 CBSE reputed schools participated in the same program. Moreover, summer camps, NCC camps, Scouts and Guides camps, disaster management drills, health checkups, and motivational and career counseling sessions are the regular feature of the school. Various fun activities are organized under trips and excursions also. Visit to IMA Dehradun, excursion to Surinsar, were a source of unending joy, which stuffed the young souls with laughter and screams of delight. Under Vidyanjali initiative, a school volunteer program, our school has adopted Government Middle School Parva. Various collaborative activities have been conducted with this school, like book donation, musical instrument donation, art and craft camps, adult tinkering lab exchange programs, etc. There is a great truth in saying, you cannot do it alone. We owe our success to the able leadership and futuristic vision of our patron and Major General Gaurav Gautam and the members of School Management Committee, who have been a constant source of encouragement and guidance to us. I also thank all the parents who have invested their trust in us. I would like to express my gratitude to all the teachers who have been preparing children to be the responsible global citizens. I extend my gratitude to the support staff of the school who have been pillars of strength for this institution. My best wishes to all the students who have been striving hard towards brilliance and equipping themselves to face the challenges ahead. Dear children, trust yourself. Create the kind of self that you will be happy to live with all your life. Make the most of yourself by fanning the sparks of possibility into flames of achievement. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. Your insight into the achievements and progress of our school have been both enlightening and inspiring. It's a testament to the dedication and hard work of our entire school community.
एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत एक पावन भावना, नागरिकों में एकता की चेतना की साधना। भारतीय संस्कृति कहती विश्व एक परिवार है, आपसी सद्भावना ही जीवन का सार है। इसी भारतीय संस्कृति और विविधता में एकता को पिरोए मंच पर आमंत्रित करती हूँ कक्षा 3वीं से 5वीं के छात्रों। In this performance, we will take you on a vibrant journey through the diverse and colorful states of India, showcasing their unique traditions, art forms, and cultural heritage.
रंगीला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग थे दूध में तारे ए बाट रंग लो
ऋषि मुनियों का यहाँ वास, वीरों की जन्मभूमि ये, वीरांगनाओं की कर्मभूमि ये, एक समान देता सबको समान, अतिथि देवो भव, सत्यमेव जयते, सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम की भारत है एकमात्र पहचान। भारत की संस्कृति, सभ्यता एवं समृद्धि ही बनाती है मेरे अतुल्य भारत को सभी देशों से महान।
We are now about to embark on a colorful journey across the incredible land of diversity as we present Incredible India, a mesmerizing item brought to you by the
at your aim. But it feels the best when you stand up high and others watch you as their aim. So dream it, feel it. In the spirit of these words, we are here for phase 1 of our prize distribution ceremony to recognize the outstanding achievements of our meritorious students of class 10th and 12th during the academic session 2022-23.
To do the honors, I would like to extend a warm invitation to our chief guest, Major General Gaurav Gautam, GOC Tiger Division, Patron APS Samana, and our special guest, Brigadier Vivek Puri, Sena Medal, Chairman Chenab Brigade, Chairman APS Samana, for felicitating our outstanding students.
Of the school, a stellar scholar in the humanities stream who has achieved an extraordinary 96.6% in class 12. She is being felicitated with a cash prize of 8,000 rupees. Her excellence extends city and political science. Along with academics, she is also a passionate and melodious singer.
Next in line is Suhasini Gupta, a scholar in science stream who has secured a phenomenal 95.2%. Her exceptional performance to subjects of English, physics, chemistry and biology is a testament to her unwavering commitment, knowledge and success. She is being felicitated with a cash prize of 7,000 rupees. She also possesses great oratory skills.
In the humanities stream next, we have Janvi Manhas, who has proven her mettle by scoring a remarkable 95%. She's been He's being felicitated with a cash prize of 4,500 rupees. His performance in the subject of business studies have earned her this prestigious recognition.
Priya Manhas in the commerce stream has shown a remarkable dedication and attained a score of 91.4%. She particularly excelled in business studies, reflecting a strong grasp of the subject. She is being honored with a cash prize of rupees 4,000.
He's being honored with a cash prize of 4,000 rupees. His well-rounded performance across subjects is truly praiseworthy.
Badal Kuntal, student in the humanities stream, has achieved an impressive score of 96.6%. His dedication to studies is evident in his performance.
In the commerce stream next, we have Mansoor Sandhu, who has maintained an impressive score of 90.4%. She is being felicitated with a cash prize of 3,500 rupees. Her consistent efforts have paid off, especially in her chosen subjects.
Payal Kalhotra in the humanities stream has shown a great dedication by securing a score of 90%. Her commitment to academics shines through her result. She is being felicitated with a cash prize of 3,500 rupees.
Srijan, a student in the science stream who has achieved a commendable score of 90%. He has been honored with a cash prize of 3,500 rupees. His exceptional performance in chemistry and physics showcases his passion for the subjects.
Moving on to subject toppers, we have students who have excelled in specific subjects, demonstrating their mastery in these fields, and they are being felicitated with a cash prize of 3,000 rupees.
Devanshu has topped in the subject of accountancy with a stupendous score of 97%. His proficiency in this subject has been truly remarkable.
Vansh Sharma has excelled in computer science with a score of 94%, showcasing his expertise in this field.
Kartika Sharma has topped in Hindi, scoring an impressive 83%. Her commitment and command over the language is truly praiseworthy. As they say, वक्त से लड़कर जो नसीब बदल दे, इंसान वही है जो तकदीर बदल दे। कल क्या होगा कभी मत सोचो, कल क्या होगा कभी मत सोचो, क्या पता कल वक्त खुद अपनी तस्वीर बदल दे, खुद अपनी तस्वीर बदल दे। These students have not only achieved academic excellence, but have also set high standards for their peers. We congratulate them on their remarkable achievements and wish them continued success in future endeavors.
Let's now move on to the felicitation of our meritorious students from Class 10, Section 2022-23, who have displayed outstanding performance in the Class 10 board exams. These students have not only made our school proud, but have also set a remarkable example for their peers. And they are being felicitated with a trophy, certificate of appreciation and cash incentive. Starting with our overall toppers, I would like to call upon stage Sanjit Kumar, a prodigious scholar who has carved a path of excellence with an awe-inspiring score of 95.6%. His commitment to academic rigor and relentless pursuit of knowledge has undoubtedly left an indelible mark on our institution, and he is being felicitated with a cash prize of 4,000 rupees.
Following closely is Yashna Rajput, another jewel in our academic crown, who has achieved a stellar 94.8%. Her dedication to learning and intellectual curiosity sets her apart as a shining example for her peers. She is being felicitated with a cash prize of Rs 3,500.
Our next luminary is Omika Sharma, who has not only demonstrated exceptional proficiency in her studies, but has also garnered an impressive 93.8%. Her academic journey stands as a testament to the relentless pursuit of excellence. She is being felicitated with a cash prize of 3,000 rupees.
These students have truly excelled in their academics, and their hard work and dedication have paid off. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Moving on to the subject toppers, we have individuals who have shown exceptional class in specific subjects, and they are being felicitated with a cash prize of Rs 2,000.
First up, we have Vanshika Rakwal, who achieved a perfect score of 100% in information technology.
Himanshu Sharma steps into the limelight with a voluble score of 98% in English. Her linguistic fitness and eloquence reflects a master of language that is truly commendable.
Our next topper is Jeevan Jyoti with a commendable score of 97% in Hindi, showcasing a profound understanding of linguistic and cultural heritage.
These students have not only mastered their subjects, but have also set high standards for excellence.
Finally, let's acknowledge those students who achieve 90% and above in their class 10th exams, and they have been felicitated with a cash prize of Rs 2,500. First, we have Nitin Salaria for his exceptional performance in science, securing an impressive 95%. Next, we have Manav Pawar, a diligent student who has showcased an exceptional academic prowess by securing an outstanding 92%. Last but certainly not the least, we applaud Sujal Katoj, another standout student who has demonstrated remarkable dedication, culminating in a noteworthy 92%.
Congratulations to all our meritorious students for their exceptional achievements. You are an inspiration to your fellow students and a source of pride for our school.
Dear audience, as we bask in the glow of our students' achievement, it is equally important to recognize the guiding lights who have led them to this path of success.
Today, we are privileged to extend our gratitude to our dedicated teachers who have excelled in their subject, ensuring stellar results in our board classes.
Now, let's begin the acknowledgement of our outstanding teachers. First and foremost, we have Mr. Virendra Singh, PGT PE, with a remarkable API of 690.
Next, we have Mr. Narendra Singh, PGT Computer Science, with a fantastic API of 646.
Next in line is Mr. Manmohan Singh, PGT Political Science, with an excellent API of 631.
Now, we have Ms. Ekta Gupta, PGT English, who has secured an API of 628.
Moving forward, we have Mr. Sushil Kumar, PGT Physics, with a fabulous API of 480.
Next, we have Mrs. Manu Kumari, PGT Hindi, with a great API of 320.
Moving on, we have Mrs. Sukriti Sharma, PGT CS, who has an excellent API of 685.
Moving forward, we have Mrs. Preeti Samyal, PGT English, who have secured a remarkable API of 590.
Last but not the least, we have Mrs. Manjeet Kaur, PGT Hindi, who has an API of 584.
In extending our heartfelt appreciation, let's shine a spotlight on the exceptional educators who have been the guiding force behind our students' remarkable achievement in various competitions, thereby bringing immense pride and accolades to our esteemed school.
First and foremost is Anurita Kaur, PRT.
Next, we have Mr. Vishal Mehta, PRT Physical Education.
Next is Mrs. Aarti Gupta, PGT Commerce.
Mr. Manmohan Singh, PGT Political Science.
Ms. Pinku Wali, PGT Science.
Ms. Sakshi Verma, PRT.
Ms. Ekta Gupta, PGT English.
Ms. Manu Kumari, PGT Hindi.
Ms. Anu Sharma, PGT Physical Education Solutions, for school's legacy of excellence.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's applaud these educators for their dedication and commitment to nurturing brilliance in our students. Thank you.
आओ करें नमन उन्हें जो देश की गौरव गाथा है, जिनके बलिदानों से भारत प्रतिवर्ष आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव मनाता है।
आओ करें नमन उन्हें जो देश के भाग्य विधाता हैं, जिनके बलिदानों से राष्ट्रीय ध्वज बड़े स्वाभिमान और सम्मान से लाल किले पर लहराता है।
कहानी हम हिंदुस्तानी You are at 2, 4, 6, okay? Number 1, repeat with me. Number 1, you repeat.
Number 1,
Great game.
great day.
I will have great game.
I will have great day.
I
I will
continuously acquire knowledge. Continuously acquire knowledge.
continuously acquire knowledge.
Oh, I will do hard work.
I will do hard work.
I will persevere
I will persevere
and succeed.
and succeed.
Okay, that's the mantra.
Wow, that was truly a mesmerizing performance. This praiseworthy performance truly reminds us of our heroic past. न जिसके कभी पैर रुके, न जिसने कभी हिम्मत हारी, जज्बा है जिसपे वसुदेव कुटुंबकम का विश्व गुरु बनने का सच्चा उत्तराधिकारी। करते हैं हम सब उससे प्यार, वो है मेरा देश भारत महान।
Now, let's turn our attention to a message transmitted by Vasudeva Kutumbakam. Their unity and harmony inspires us all to live as a family.
सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो 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 भाई सुनो सुनो आगाज है आगाज है आगाज है आगाज है
किस बात का आगाज है? पूरा विश्व एक परिवार ईश्वर से दिया गया उपहार है। सांस्कृतिक जाति धर्मों में बटा हुआ संसार है। क्या तुमने कभी वासुदेव कुटुंबकम के बारे में विचार किया है? इसका अर्थ है पूरा विश्व एक परिवार है। परिवार है। यह सभी देशों में एकता और भाईचारे को बढ़ावा देता है।
वासुदेव कुटुंबकम हमें बताता है कि हर व्यक्ति एक दूसरे से जुड़ा हुआ है।
अब विश्व की भूमि पर चल रही है सुना। अब नहीं युद्ध होंगे। तिनका तिनका चुनकर पूरे विश्व को एक घर बनाएंगे यहाँ। तिनका चुनकर पूरे विश्व को एक घर बनाएंगे यहाँ।
मानव का जीवन बस इसी में बच चुका है।
Are going to present a thought-provoking mind on the impact of mobile phones on our lives.
तुझे क्यों बनाया था? तूने क्या करके छोड़ दिया? तू दिलों को जोड़ने के लिए आया था। तूने तो सब कुछ ही तोड़ दिया। उम्मीदों के सागर बंधे थे तुझसे। तूने हर सागर को सूखा छोड़ दिया। तुझे क्यों बनाया था? तूने क्या करके छोड़ दिया? नए बच्चे की बेकारी, सबको सब दिखाने की करते हैं तैयारी। वो नन्हे हाथों को देखने की फुर्सत किसी को नहीं। लाइक के अंगूठे के पीछे पागल है दुनिया सारी। तूने रूहानी दुनिया का रिश्ता पता नहीं किस मशीन से जोड़ दिया। तुझे क्यों बनाया था? तूने क्या करके छोड़ दिया? मोहब्बत के नगमे फसाने हुए, प्यार की बातें किए जमाने हुए। साथ रहते हैं जो घर पर, वो भी साथ नहीं बचे। दिलों के रिश्ते बने ही थे कि पल भर में पुराने हुए। तूने दिलों के बीच आकर मोहब्बत की नदी का रुख मोड़ दिया। तुझे क्यों बनाया था? तूने क्या करके छोड़ दिया? अब ना कोई किसी को सुनता है, न कोई किसी से कहता है। जहां सुख दुख बांटने थे आपस में, वहां भी इंसान गर्दन झुका के खोया रहता है। अब न बाहर की बात होती है, न अपने घर की, न गलियों की कोई खबर है, न अपने शहर की। ग्रुप बहुत बड़ा कर दिया है तूने, परिवार छोटा छोड़ दिया। तुझे क्यों बनाया था? तूने क्या करके छोड़ दिया? क्या क्या कर सकते थे हम इंसान, जाने क्या हमारी तकदीर हो गई। जिंदगी और मौत दोनों को तमाशा बनाना था। तेरी बदौलत तमाशा देखने वालों की भीड़ हो गई है। तूने तन्हाई में ऐसा छोड़ा कि लोगों ने जिंदगी का दामन छोड़ दिया। तुझे क्यों बनाया था? तूने क्या करके छोड़ दिया?
Aditya Rajput, a student of class 8.
Tarun Kalhotra of class 9.
Moving on, Shivang Kumar, a student of class 12.
Samardeep Singh of class 6.
Aryan Ratan from class 8.
Poonam Devi of class 12.
Diya Chaudhary, also from class 12.
Last but not least, Mansi Sharma of class 9. Got honor to us, but have also become role models for their peers. We applaud their dedication, hard work, and exceptional talent. applause for these students.
Now, let us all acknowledge the achievements of our students in various UT level competitions.
First up, we have Arun Sharma of Class 8.
Next, we have Anirudh Sharma of Class 11.
Alvita Chaudhary of Class 7.
Audience, please give them a huge round of applause. And determination. And now, I would like to call the achievers who achieved bronze medal in this event. Simran Chaudhary of Class 11, Harsh Rao of Class 9, and Ranjit Yadav of Class 7. Can we have a huge round of applause for them?
recognize and celebrate the outstanding achievements of students in various events conducted under the Surya Schools complex. Let's begin with Suneha Sharma from class 12 who secured the first prize in the Turncoat Bilingual Debate competition.
In the realm of creativity, Adarsh Badhas from class 2nd stood out by receiving the Best Costume Award in an inter-school fancy dress competition.
Nilakshi Sharma, a student of class 8, clinched the second prize in the Turncoat Bilingual Debate competition.
Nandika Sharma from class 6 secured the second prize in the inter-school Kavita Path competition.
Manmeet Chaudhary, Simran Chaudhary and Vanshika Sharma, all from class 11, displayed their artistic talents by securing the third prize in the collage making competition. Their creativity and teamwork have been celebrated under the Surya Schools complex.
Let's give them a huge round of applause. Namadev Puri from class 11 received the bronze medal in an inter-school swimming competition, displaying remarkable skill and determination in the pool.
Finally, Ashmi Sharma from class 8 received a consolation prize in an inter-school poster making competition.
We are immensely proud of our students' accomplishments under the Sahodaya Schools complex, and we are confident that they will continue to shine and bring glory to our institution in the future. Now, it is time to recognize and commemorate the accomplishments of our exceptional students in diverse categories within the Northern region and inter-school competitions.
Let's begin by inviting our winners from the Northern Region competitions.
I would like to call upon Divan Shaina from class 10 who has been declared the winner of the mock pitch in the residential boot camp at IIT Jammu.
Class 9, who is also a winner of the mock pitch in the residential boot camp at IIT Jammu.
Next, I invite Akshat Singh, also from class 9, for being recognized as an outstanding performer in the residential boot camp at IIT Jammu. Moving on to our champions from the inter-school competitions, please join me in welcoming Pradeep Singh from class 12 to the stage. Pradeep has secured the first prize in the Profit competition at the Commerce Fest.
Anand Sharma, also from class 12, has also won the first prize in the Profit competition at the Commerce Fest. Anand, please come up and receive your well-deserved recognition. APS Zamana achieved yet another remarkable milestone, securing the prestigious first position as the winner in Transgres, the Asian Parliamentary Affairs 2023.
With immense pride and joy, I extend a heartfelt invitation to the eloquent orators of this triumphant debating event Sharma from class 11, Devansh Raina from class 10, and Akshit Singh from class 9. Let's give all these students a big round of applause for their remarkable achievements.
Now, it's time to felicitate the inter-APS Cluster 1 competition achievers. First, let me call upon the exemplary student athletes who have secured the runner-up trophy in the inter-APS Cluster 1 table tennis. Harshpreet Singh from class 11, Manav Pawar, Shivam Kumar from class 12, Saurabh Saini from class 6, Nama Vivek Puri, Navishka, Ashima Rajput and Vanshika Chip from class 11. These young athletes demonstrate exceptional talent, dedication and sportsmanship. Let us applaud their achievements.
The next event in our list is the Inter-APS Cluster 1 Hindi Debate Competition, hosted by APS Zamana on September 4, 2023. In this event, the emerging orators of APS Zamana displayed their exemplary speaking skills and clinched the top position for our school. I now call upon Suneha Sharma from class 12, Gayatri Singh and Devansh Raina from class 10. Notably, the team earned the opportunity to represent our school at the command level held at APS Pathankot and clinched runner-up trophy for their commendable performance. Let's give a hearty round of applause to Pragati Sharma from class 11, Nama Vivek Puri also from class 11, and Harshit Singh from class 10. These students displayed exemplary oratory skills and garnered runners-up trophy. Congratulations! Please give them all a huge thunder of applause.
Of our young sports enthusiasts who have left an indelible mark in various interzonal and interdistrict competitions.
First and foremost, let's applaud the remarkable performances of Vineet Sharma and Devansh Raina of class 10. Samiksha, Ritika Sharma and Vanshika of class 7.
In the inter-district division level, volleyball, basketball and handball championship in different categories, the young athletes of APS Damana have demonstrated their exceptional prowess and have secured a silver medal. So let's recognize the prowess of these silver medalists. Vinay Sharma, Adeep Bhatt and Ritik Kumar of class 7, Suhani Manhas and Kusum Charak of class 11, Muskan and Vansh of class 12th and 10th respectively.
We have Supreme Kaur and Deepika from class 10. Congratulations to these young talents for bringing glory to our school in the realm of sports. Your dedication and hard work inspire us all. Let's continue to strive for excellence and make our school proud. Their outstanding performance on various events have secured them a silver medal contributed to the sports team. Cheer them up with a thunder of applause.
का देश है। यहाँ विविधता में एकता और एकता में विविधता है। यहाँ की संस्कृति ही इसकी धरोहर है। तो आइए देखते हैं इस संस्कृति की कुछ झलक। Is a major form of Indian classical dance. Is an Indian martial art and fighting system circular form of dance. कैसी लगी आपको भारत की विविधता में एकता की ये तस्वीर?
Now, the budding artists of Class 8 will present a role play that encapsulates the milestones of our nation's growth, including Chandrayaan 3, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, industrial progress, and making of the Indian Constitution.
Long years ago, we made a trust in destiny. The time has come when we shall redeem our pledge, not fully or in measure, but very substantial. At the stroke of midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to live and freedom.
We, the people of India.
जवानी लिखी खलिहानों में रौनक भर कर किसान ने अपनी कहानी लिखी। निकडोर है वो कुर्बानी की उम्मीद उन्हीं से रोशन है, हर निवाले से रिश्ता उसका घर में उसी से है रोशन है।
of prize distribution ceremony to celebrate the talent and achievements of our budding stars in various categories. Now, I would like to call our venerated special guest, Brigadier Vivek Puri, Sena Medal, Commander, Chenab Brigade, Chairman APS Damana, and Principal Ma'am on stage to do the honors of distributing the prizes.
Indeed, our students have demonstrated their belief through hard work and dedication. Ladies and gentlemen, today we have gathered not just to honor achievement.
First, let's acknowledge the creative spirits among our juniors. The Best in Art and Craft award goes to Adarsh Kotwal and Nitya of Class 5 for their exceptional artistic talent and innovative creations. Congratulations. Please join your hands together to congratulate them for their incredible efforts.
Moving on to the field of sports, our young athletes have shown exceptional skills and sportsmanship. The Best in Sports award goes to Rudresh Thaplu and Ananya Bhatt of Class 5. In recognition of the exceptional quality displayed by our winners, let's applaud their excellence.
In the age of technology, we have some bright minds excelling in the world of IT. The Best in IT award goes to Shivan Rathore and Divanshi Lange of Class 5 for their remarkable contributions in the field of information technology. Please give a big round of applause for their smashing accomplishment.
Music is the language of our soul, and our next awardee has touched our hearts with their melodious tunes. The Best in Music award goes to Ayush Rakwal and Agrima Razdan of Class 5.
We are now ready to recognize the outstanding achievements of our senior students in various categories. First, we have Best in Art and Craft category, and for this, please welcome Mukesh Kumar and Shivani Devi from Class 12 for their exceptional creativity and artistic talent. Please give a big round of applause for their tremendous artifice.
Next we have Best in Sports, and for this, please welcome Shivan Kumar and Diya Chaudhary from Class 12 for their remarkable achievements in various sporting events. Please give a big round of applause to boost their confidence up.
Next, we have Best in IT category, and for this, please join us in welcoming Adish Tucci and Vanchika Charak from Class 12 for showcasing their remarkable skills in field of information technology. Put your hands together for their magnificent attainment.
Next we have Best in Music, and for this, let's applaud the musical talents of Mahmoor Ahmed and Poonam Devi from Class 12. Ladies and gentlemen, please accompany me to welcome them with claps.
It's a moment of triumph as we unveil the result of our year-long inter-house competition.
The house that emerges victorious in every aspect is Har Gobind Khurana, and the prestigious rolling trophy for the academic session 2023 to 24 is awarded to Har Gobind Khurana House.
I kindly invite the senior and junior house masters along with the house captain and vice captain to join us on the stage.
Let's give a thunderous round of applause to the winning house for their remarkable achievement.
Congratulations to all the students, teachers and everyone who contributed.
Our school takes immense pride in recognizing the achievements of the outstanding students who have qualified for the esteemed National Defence Academy. Without further ado, let's begin by acknowledging the exemplary medal of Raghav Singh Manhas from batch 2021, who with unwavering determination has aspired and successfully joined the Indian Army as an NDA cadet on December 27, 2022 at the NDA Academy.
Next is the remarkable achievement of Sushant Verma from batch 2020, whose exemplary medal led him to aspire and join the Indian Army as an NDA cadet on July 27, 2023 at the NDA Academy.
Finally, we extend our heartfelt congratulations to Abhikesh Sharma from batch 2015, who with remarkable determination, harbored the ambition to join the Indian Army, achieving his
reflects the dedication to serve our nation. क्या खूब सी सूरत और कामत तेरे मस्जिद के मीनारों की, हो ईद या होली बैसाखी, हर रंग पे तू मस्ताना है शमा तू मेरे प्यारे वतन, सारी दुनिया परवाना है। सूफी मौसीकी जिस्म से रूह और फिर रूह को खुदा से रूबरू कराती है, सुनते हैं कानों से लेकिन असर दिल तक कर जाती है। इसी सूफी मौसीकी का एक रूप कवाली है।
मौसीकी अंदाज में करने अपने जज्बातों को बयां, मंच पर मौजूद है आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल दमाना के नन्हे फनकार। चलिए करें दिल से इनका इत्तबा।
गर्व है हमारे जवानों पर, गर्व है मंगलयान पर, गर्व है पूरे हिंदुस्तान पर। हम हर जमीन पर अपने देश का परचम लहराते हैं, हम हर जमीन पर अपने देश का परचम लहराते हैं। हमें गर्व है कि हम भारतीय कहलाते हैं, हमें गर्व है कि हम भारतीय कहलाते हैं।
Chief Guest, Major General Gaurav Gautam, GOC Tiger Division, and Patron APS Zamana to come upon the stage and impart his valuable thoughts and insights to this distinguished August gathering.
ओके, आदरणीय प्रिंसिपल साहब, मैडम सॉरी, और आदरणीय टीचर्स, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये प्रोग्राम देख के, और वो प्यारे बच्चे जिन्होंने ये प्रोग्राम किया। साथ में उन प्यारे बच्चों के माता पिता को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि वो दोपहर 2:30 बजे से बैठ के 3 घंटे हमारे साथ बच्चों का प्रोग्राम दिया। देखा सॉरी आप लोगों ने, लेकिन उसमें जो सबसे बड़ी बात मैं पेरेंट्स को बताना चाहता हूँ कि अगर आप सोचते हैं कि स्कूल में आके बच्चा मेरा बहुत बड़ा अफसर बनेगा या स्कूल में आके वो चीज़ें सीखेगा, तो मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि बच्चा आप लोग को देख के बड़ा हो रहा है। उसकी जो क्वालिटीज़ है, लड़का अपने फादर की छवि होती है, लड़की अपनी माँ की छवि होती है। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपका बच्चा तरक्की करे, तो मैं आप लोगों से अनुरोध करता हूँ कि आप अपने घर में प्यार वाला माहौल रखें, जिसमें कि बच्चों को प्रोत्साहन दिया जाए कि वो अच्छा करें। साथ ही मैं उन प्यारे बच्चों को मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने इतने मन से ये प्रोग्राम किया, और मुझे एक क्षण भी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि मैं अपने ऑफिस से आके जो जरूरी काम है वो करना चाहिए था। मुझे लगा कि मैंने यहाँ पे आके जो 3 घंटे लगाए हैं वो मेरे लिए ज़्यादा। दूसरी चीज़ मैं बताना चाहता हूँ पेरेंट्स को कि आप लोग अपने बच्चों को साइंस के लिए बिल्कुल भी मजबूर ना करें। साइंस एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जो कुछ लोग जिनको साइंस का शौक है वो उनको ही लेना चाहिए। बच्चों को अगर आपने विकसित करना है तो आप उसको वो सब्जेक्ट लेने की कोशिश को प्रोत्साहन करें जो उसका मन है। कृपा करके साइंस के लिए मत करें। बड़े प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों की जिंदगी खराब हो जाती है जब माँ बाप उनको फोर्स करते हैं साइंस लेने के लिए। इसके ऊपर मैं स्कूल में जो चेयरमैन साहब हैं, प्रिंसिपल, जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वालिटी है, आज मुझे चेयरमैन साहब बता रहे थे, सर हम आपका दिमाग जान चुके हैं और आप चाहते हैं कि एपीआई जिससे कि स्कूल नंबर 1 पे आए वो आपका सबसे बड़ा KRA है। मैंने कहा नहीं, मैंने तो हाँ किया, लेकिन मैं आज आपको बताता हूँ मेरा KRA क्या है। मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरा बच्चा जब यहाँ पे आए तो वो स्माइल करे, मेरा बच्चा जब यहाँ पे आए तो वो कॉन्फिडेंट रहे, मेरा बच्चा जब यहाँ पे आए तो उसको ये ना लगे कि मैं किसी से कम हूँ। और ये तभी हो सकता है। अब मैं टीचर्स को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि टीचर्स, जो पेरेंट्स को बताना था मैंने बता दिया, अब मैं टीचर्स को ये बताना चाहता हूं कि आपका काम बस एक है, हर एक लड़के को और लड़की को बोलने का मौका दिया जाए क्लास में। बोलने का मतलब, मुझे आज भी याद है जब मैं क्लास में बैठता था, 1-2 क्लास नहीं आता था और टीचर अगले चैप्टर में चली जाती थी तो मुझे पिछला चैप्टर समझ में नहीं आता था और मुझे बाकियों के सामने दिखाना पड़ता था कि मैं बहुत इंटेलिजेंट हूं, और मुझे बड़ा दुख होता था जब मेरे नंबर नहीं आते थे। तो बच्चों का दुख मैं समझ सकता हूं, और उसका बस कारण यह है कि टीचर्स, आप लोग प्लीज बच्चे को, जो सबसे कमजोर बच्चा है उसकी स्पीड से पढ़ाइए, आप सबसे इंटेलिजेंट बच्चे की स्पीड से मत पढ़ाइए। और साथ ही मैं प्रिंसिपल मैडम से ये रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि लड़की जो है, हमारे देश में जो लड़कियां हैं वो बहुत तरक्की कर रही हैं। मैं कई माँ बाप को मिलता हूं जब वो बोलते हैं कि भाई मैं बेटी की शादी जल्दी कर दूंगी। आपने शादी की बात अभी सोची नहीं है, आपने उसको दुनिया में काबिल बनाने के लिए सोचना है। और अगर आप अपनी लड़कियों को काबिल बनाएंगे और अपने लड़कों को सिखाएंगे कि लड़की और लड़की में कोई अंतर नहीं है, एक दूसरे को बराबर का सम्मान देंगे, और ये तभी हो सकता है कि घर में अगर फादर अपनी मदर को रिस्पेक्ट करे और मदर अपने फादर को रिस्पेक्ट करे, तो ये प्रॉब्लम आज से 10 या 15 या 20 साल बाद हमारी कंट्री में रहेगी नहीं। हमारा देश सबसे पुराना देश है, और सबसे पुराने देश की खास बात यह है कि शुरू से हजारों सालों से, 8000 सालों से हमारे संस्कृति में लिखा हुआ है कि औरत और आदमी का दर्जा जो है एक जैसा है। लेकिन पता नहीं आजकल कुछ सालों से आपने लड़कियों को डाउन कर रखा है। आज प्रोग्राम में लड़कियां ज्यादा थी, लड़के कम थे। टीचर ने बहुत कोशिश की, मैंने पूछा प्रिंसिपल से कहाँ है लड़के। जब मैं लड़कियों से मिलता हूँ उनके चेहरे पर मुस्कान ज्यादा होती है, कॉन्फिडेंस ज्यादा होता है। लेकिन जब बारी आती है पेरेंट्स को उनको आगे शिक्षा देने की, पता नहीं। अच्छा देखो, याद रखो, लड़की इस वक्त जब बड़ी होगी तो मोबाइल पे ज्यादा बात करेगी, आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, लड़का भी करेगा। टेक्नोलॉजी को एम्ब्रेस करो, उनको ये मत जलील करो कि आप मोबाइल पे रहते हो पूरे टाइम, मोबाइल पे रहने दो, कुछ नहीं होता, सब मैं भी मोबाइल पे रहता हूँ, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता। लेकिन जो ज्यादा जरूरी काम है आप लोगों को, वो ये है कि बच्चों को घर के अंदर कभी भी, जो मैंने गलती की अपने बड़े बेटे के साथ, सब वो अभी भी ठीक हो गया है, लेकिन जो मैंने गलती की कि मैं उसको थोड़ा ज्यादा डांटता था। तो पेरेंट्स, मैं आपको ये बताऊं, जो हमारे बच्चे हैं बहुत ही काबिल हैं, मोबाइल पे एक दूसरों को सीख के बहुत तरक्की करेंगे, उनको ज्यादा डांटना नहीं, खासकर लड़के को, क्योंकि कुछ भी कहो, जो लड़का होता है उसको ये हमेशा फील होगा कि पिताजी आपने मेरे से ढंग से बात नहीं की, और ये एक दुख मेरे दिल में है। इसलिए मैं जितने भी बच्चे उनको बहुत प्यार करता हूँ और मैं सारे पेरेंट्स को गाइड करता हूँ कि ऐसे ना करें। एक बार फिर आपका ज़्यादा समय ना लेते हुए मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ, थैंक यू सो मच कि आप लोग आए, और प्रिंसिपल मैम ने कहा है कि आप लोगों की चाय है, तो मैं आप लोगों से चाय के दौरान मिलना चाहूँगा। एंड प्यारे बच्चों, आप बिल्कुल घबराना नहीं, आपको सपोर्ट करने के लिए मैं हूँ, मेरी टीम है, कभी भी किसी को प्रॉब्लम आती है हम लोग आपके लिए। थैंक यू।
We sincerely appreciate your words of wisdom, and we assure you that your guidance will be held in the highest regard. Thank you, sir.
It's now time to extend our gratitude to all those who have contributed in making this event a memorable one. And for this, I invite Akanksha Gulati, the junior head girl, and Hridit Rajput, the junior head boy, to propose the vote of thanks.
Of the splendid annual function, I, Akanksha Gulati, the junior head girl of the school, and Hridit Rajput, the junior head boy of the school, are delighted to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks to the remarkable individuals and teams who have made this evening a sounding success.
We are honored to have had the presence of our esteemed chief guest, Major General Gaurav Gautam, GOC, Tiger Division, and Patron APS Dhamana. Your wisdom and words of inspiration have left an indelible mark on our hearts, and we express our sincere gratitude for gracing us with your presence.
To our guest of honor, Mrs. Pooja Gautam, Chairperson, FWO, Tiger Division. We are deeply grateful for your invaluable contribution to this event. Your presence has added prestige and significance to our gathering.
I would also like to express our deepest appreciation to our special guest, Brigadier Vivek Puri, Sena Medal, Commander Chenab Brigade, and Chairperson APS Dhamana. His visionary leadership has played a pivotal role in shaping the success of our institution.
A special acknowledgement goes to our distinguished guest, Mrs. Gira Vivek Puri, Chairperson, FWO, Chenab Brigade. Your support and encouragement have been a source of inspiration for all of us.
A special thank you goes out to CEOs of various units and esteemed dignitaries for their presence and support. Your participation has been instrumental in making this event a grand success.
The parents, the true foundation of a student's success, deserve our sincere appreciation for the constant support and encouragement. We thank you for being an integral part of our school community.
Our institution is blessed with exemplary leadership. Our principal, Mrs. Pushpinder Kaur, and Vice Principal, Mrs. Shahrukh Kapoor, have been the driving forces behind this event's success. We appreciate their vision, guidance, and unwavering support.
Our dedicated teaching fraternity, the mentors and guides of our students, deserve our heartfelt gratitude. Your hard work and commitment to education are the cornerstone of our institution.
The administrative and technical teams have worked tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure the seamless execution of this event. Your diligence and expertise have not gone unnoticed, and we thank you for your dedicated service.
Last but not the least, I want to express my gratitude to every member of our audience for being a part of this wonderful evening. Your presence has made this event truly special.
Let us carry the memories of this annual function with us and look forward to more moments of celebration and unity in the future. Thank you once again and have a delightful evening. As we approach the culmination of this spectacular annual function, I kindly request everyone to stand straight to pay homage to our motherland by singing our pious national anthem.
ini kan video saya